Okay, number 8 you have to show that this left hand side is equals to 1. So let us take it as LHS and just multiply, just first separate out the powers. A minus b, x to the power minus b, a minus b. It means that this a minus b is for this x also, and this a minus b is also for this x. So in same way, separate out all the powers. B minus c, x to the power c, c minus a, x to the power minus a, c minus a. Now do simple multiplication for algebra, that is a into a square, a into b minus ab. Similarly for denominator, that is minus ab plus b square. Do it yourself, okay? Pause the video and try to do it yourself, then check it out. Minus bc plus c square. In the same way, this will be c square minus ac by minus ac plus a square. Fine. Now see, all the bases are same now. So this will be add up, this will get add up, and this will be subtracted. So x to the power a square minus ab plus b square minus bc plus c square minus ac. I have added all these powers. Now you have to subtract these powers. So be careful, when you are subtracting, all the sign will change. So minus ab will become plus ab, minus b square plus bc minus c square plus ac minus a square. I have changed all the signs of the denominator. So now try to cancel out a square, then this plus b square minus b square, c square minus c square minus ab plus ab. In this way all gets cancelled out, that is you will get x to the power 0, that is equals to 1. So it matched with RHS. Proved. Fine. Okay, number 9 you have to evaluate this. So how to do it? See, nothing to be done here. So we will multiply this power. 2 into 3, that is 6n, and 2 into 1, that is 2. And here x to the power 7n minus 2. Since the bases are same and this is multiplied, so this will be added and this will be subtracted. So x to the power 5 plus n plus 6n plus 2, then minus 7n plus 2. Whenever you are subtracting, keep in mind that you have to change the signs. Okay, I have changed the signs. Now calculate it and find out whether the answer is matched or not. Okay, do it yourself. Okay, look at this number 10. Here also you have to do simple multiplication of algebra. In first portion, nothing to do. Here you have to multiply. Okay, see, this is of the form a plus b and a minus b. 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1. In algebra, you will find a formula, that is a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So for this we can write 2n square minus 1 square. Fine. 2n square minus 1 square. Here just simple do multiplication. 4n square minus n, and for this one 4n plus 6. 2 2s are 4n, 2 3s are 6. Next, a to the power 2n plus 1 into a to the power 2n whole square means 2n whole square means 2n into 2n, that is 4n square. So we will write here 4n square minus 1, and no need to do anything in the denominator portion. Now since all the bases are same, so this will be added up and this will be subtracted. A to the power 2n plus 1 plus 4n square minus 1. Now minus 4n square, don't forget to change these signs. Minus 4n minus 6. So this 4n square get cancelled out. Now bring all the n portion together. 2n plus n minus 4n. This 1 minus 1 get cancelled out, only minus 6 is left. So a to the power 3n minus 4n means minus n minus 6. Okay, since the power is negative, we will reciprocate it and the power will become positive. Fine, just match the answer whether it is matched or not. Okay, in number 11 you have to prove that this LHS and RHS both are equal. So let us take it as LHS. M plus N whole inverse, M inverse plus N inverse. Listen, when there is negative sign, we can make it positive by reciprocating it. So we can write it as like this now, and this whole to the power 1, no need to write. Similarly, here we can do it like this, 1 by M plus 1 by N. Fine. Next, 1 by M plus N into the LCM will be how much? Mn. This into this and this into this. You will get N plus M. So, write it as like this. Since here is M plus N, so we will write this also as M plus N. Mn. This 2 gets cancelled out. So what is left over? 1 by Mn. 1 by Mn we can write as Mn whole inverse, because Mn whole inverse can be written as this in this form. Similarly, we can write 1 by Mn as this form. See, RHS is matched. Proved. Okay, you have to prove that this portion will be equals to 1. So let us start with LHS. Separate the power, that is x to the power a into 1 by ab. Similarly, we can write b into 1 by ab. In this way, separate all the powers of yourself. Fine. After separating it, do the cancellations wherever possible. Here a get cancelled out, b, here also b, c, and c, and a. Fine. You get x to the power 1 by b, x to the power 1 by c, x to the power 1 by a. Here x to the power 1 by a, x to the power 1 by b, and x to the power 1 by c. Now look at this, x to the power 1 by b and x to the power 1 by b. This one get cancelled out. Here this one get cancelled out, this one also. So finally you are left with 1, that is equals to RHS. Okay, in number 12 too also you have to prove that this LHS portion will be equals to 1. So let us start with LHS. So how to proceed with this? Listen, what we can do. 1 plus x to the power a by x to the power b. Can we write this x to the power a minus b as this? Because the bases are same, there is division sign, so we have to subtract the power. So it's obvious that we can write this portion as this. Similarly, for this part also we can write x to the power b by x to the power a. Okay, listen it very carefully. We can write this or not. We can write this as this or not. Clear this concept very nicely. Okay, since the bases are same and there is a division sign, so we can subtract the power. So this can be written as this form. Now take the LCM. It will be x to the power b. Here nothing is here, so we can write it as 1. Now do cross multiply. This into this, that is x to the power b. This into this, that is x to the power a. Similarly, here also we can write x to the power a, that is x to the power a plus x to the power b. Now this portion will come up here, so it will become like this, x to the power b, x to the power a plus x to the power b, and this will be x to the power a by x to the power a plus x to the power b. Fine. Now look at this. Since both the denominator are same, so we can write it as this. Since both the denominator are same, so no need to multiply the numerator with anything. We can simply write it as x to the power b plus x to the power a. Since both the numerator and denominator become same, we can cancel it out. That is equals to 1 RHS. Okay, look at this number 13. You have to find the value of n. In LHS, the bases are same and there is a multiplication sign, so we can add the powers minus 5 plus 2n plus 1. And in RHS, the bases are same and there is a division sign, so we can subtract the powers. So in LHS, you got 2n minus 4 minus 5 plus 1, that is minus 4. And here you get 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, that is 6. Fine. Now both the bases are same, so the power must be same. So we can write 2n minus 4 is equals to 6. Now do simple linear equation. Minus 4 will become plus 4. 2n equals to 10. N is equals to 10 by 2. So n is equals to 5. Fine. In the same way, try to do 13 2 of yourself. Okay, 13 2. Okay, number 14 1. You have to simplify this. So let's start with the simple multiplication of algebra. That is 2n into n. That is 2n square. 2n into 2. That is 4n. 1 into n. And 1 into 2. 2. Simply 3 into 2n, that is 6n plus 3, and a to the power 2n square plus n. Fine. Now do this calculation. A to the power 2n plus 3. Here you will get 2n square plus 5n plus 2, and in denominator there will be no change, just copy it down. Now since all the bases are same and they are in multiplication, so add these two exponents and subtract these two exponents. So 2n plus 3 plus 2n square plus 5n plus 2 minus 6n minus 3 minus 2n square minus n. 2n square gets cancelled out. Now 3 minus 3 gets cancelled out. And see, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 minus 6, how much? N minus n, 0. Okay, fine, 0. And only 2 will be left over. That is a square will be your answer. Try to solve 14 2 yourself.